Hey everybody, it's Jake here. I'm at Henry's clay furnace. There's what it used to be right there. Canal. Blueprint. And then what is left is what everybody always wants to see is what's left. There's not much here. There's the foundation goes all the way over there. There's this wall. We can walk over here. This looks like it's the only standing wall. You can kind of get an idea. You can kind of see the sides of the foundation here. Get that way. There. Alright, everybody. Like, share, and subscribe. Alright, there's a bridge from 1914 right there. Now, this used to be trains, and also a trolley used to run across here, and on the other side was the canal. So this is a big little town and a furnace, and I showed you guys what that is over there, but there's also, you see, stuff was on the side of this mountain right here. As I said before, there ain't much left, but you get a few little odds. This is right there, over there. Can see the different, there must have been buildings going up this hill. There's a corner of one right there. But I think this town was built right on this hill here. A little furnace town. It's a little industrial area back in the day. But yeah. Alright guys, I'll keep bringing you guys away. Peace. Well, that one place is straight over there. That's a big open area. And then the little buildings were along here and up on this hill. And I'm gonna walk a little bit farther and I got this little thing right here. I don't know if that was like a bridge post. It looks like it's just one row of big bricks, big stones. So that might have been a way to cross over. There's another little thing of bricks right there. Right, stone. Seeing that? I'll walk down a little farther. It looks like there might be something over there in the bushes. But I'll keep. Well, that last thing is right there. That one slab. The town's down a little bit that way. But there's a big concrete thing up there. Now, I said before, there's probably were buildings up there too along that ledge. There's a flat area. I don't think it's naturally flat. And then there's this big thing. I don't know if that's part of one of the furnaces or something else, but I'll see if I can figure out anything. It has stuff on top of it, and it probably went over to that other concrete platform that's above that. Sure, I'll be able to find out what it is. Hey, see, there's a concrete platform up there. See if I can get up there. I might be able to. I think I see a trail going that way. We'll go check it out. Get through here? Maybe. Going for it. There's a wall right at my feet too, right here. Up, down. I don't know if water filled in this area or not. There's a channel. And there's a thing up there that probably had pipes or something that ran across it. Brought that drum right there. Well, I made it up here. I made it up here. Pretty neat. I had to say it's probably 3 or 4 stories. We'll walk over here now. Another big concrete wall right there. Platform here. Someone sat there. Some type of big factory or some sort. I'll have to do some research, find out exactly what it is. It reminds me of a location near me off of River Road near Catonsville, Maryland. But this is we're in Pennsylvania, in Columbia, Pennsylvania, close to Lancaster. But it's pretty neat, pretty neat. See if I find anything else, I'll let you guys know.